Well, there's a pattern of what's called food swamps in El Paso County. It's part of a first ever food system assessment. Bill Folsom looking into what the study means, and he's here to break it down. Bill.
Colorado Springs Food Rescue is partnering in this study. Their mission is to look at the system of food distribution and availability. They're finding not all neighborhoods are equal when it comes to healthy options. Volunteers are essential to the mission at Colorado Springs Food Rescue. They're boots on the ground for getting and giving food. They also are a resource for looking at better ways of helping people who need food.
The problem solving, if I don't have that knowledge or that information, I will go to the source and find out.
Going on the ground, having focus groups within neighborhoods alongside neighbors, and really figuring out what are some differences within our particular neighborhoods that we'd like to see that would increase healthy fresh food access.
In the works right now are neighborhood-specific ideas for increasing access to healthy food. A neighborhood food center with gardens, distribution, and education programs for the Hillside neighborhood. Other neighborhoods wanting to expand community gardens and continuing efforts to expand the number of home gardeners willing to donate when their garden produces more than they can use.
To really generate better health outcomes in our neighborhoods.
Maps show the motivation for all of this. Data gathering and neighborhood surveys show not all neighborhoods have equal access to healthy food options. Some neighborhoods, for example, show anywhere from 40 to 70% of homes with no transportation. Then there's what's called a food swamp.
And the whole idea around a food swamp is that in my neighborhood, for example, there's a massive proliferation of unhealthy retailers, so corner stores and fast food restaurants, but there are no healthy fresh food access points.
Our city and county leaders are part of this research, but public policy cannot fully solve issues like this. Getting neighbors involved and coming up with solutions gets investment and involvement. Rob?
See where they go.